This is French toast, soft, fluffy, and golden. The perfect breakfast to start your day. First, let's prepare the batter. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Add 60 grams of sugar and whisk until well combined. Now, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. This gives a warm, rich flavor. Pour in 600 milliliters of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and give it a good mix. I'm using sandwich bread, but you can use any soft bread you like. Remove the edges for softer texture. If you are in a hurry, cut the slices smaller. They'll soak up the mixture faster. Now, let's heat up our tray. Add 20 grams of butter and preheat in the oven. If you are using a pan, medium heat works best. Place the bread slices on the tray and pour the batter over them. After 5 minutes, flip them so they absorb every bit of that delicious mixture. Now, let's bake them at 150 Celsius for 10 minutes. If you are using a pan, cook for 5 minutes on each side until golden brown. Here it is, golden, soft, and smelling absolutely amazing. You can serve this with honey and butter, the perfect combination for French toast. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video.